Hello, good afternoon. This is David Slater talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. And the signal I have to share for you right here is for NZDCHF, okay, New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss franc. And if we look here on the 4-hour chart, which I like to base all my signals on, is a strong signal to sell, okay? Now, this is a fresh signal. This indicator has not repainted, so right now is not a good time to actually place a trade. And I've been watching this for the last 20 to 30 minutes, and it actually, when the signal first came in, it was right here with this right here with this candle right here on top of this candle, but it actually has shot up a little bit higher than when it first started, okay? So with that said, this is a very strong bullish trend we're in right now, okay? It could potentially go up even higher, okay? So you do not want to place a sell trade right away. But what you do want to do is draw a trend line coming up to that arrow, and then when the trend line breaks, you can place your trade. So how we draw the trend line is very simple, okay? Go right here on the toolbar and click on draw trend line, okay? And then go from the bottom of this arrow, go up like this, okay? And you see here, you got this wick and this wick on this candle, okay? These are markers to mark your trend line, mark your support going up, okay? And then what we're gonna do is wait for this to break, okay? About 2 candles below on the 4-hour, or if you use a 1-hour, you can drop down to the 1-hour, and you see here, you want to wait for about 3 candles to break below. So this is gonna take some time. This is not gonna happen right away. And, you know, probably for the next 24 hours, you'll be able to actually place your trade. Okay, that's what I'm guessing. But that's okay. Okay, we're looking for this to go into a strong downtrend before we actually place a trade. So, you know, very, very simple. You can also, if you want, draw Fibonacci. If you go here in the 4-hour chart, even the 1-hour chart's okay. But you can draw from this arrow going up like that. Okay. And where this 23.6 level is, that is where we are potentially looking for this to break, okay? And if I drop down to the 1-hour chart, you can see it a little bit better. And what we can do is put a sell stop pending order just below this 23.6 and a take profit just above this 38.2, okay? So if you go here a new order, change this to from market execution to pending order right here, okay? And then for type of order, you just want to choose sell stop, okay? And at price, you can pick a little price a little ways below, which is 0.59. I'm gonna say 600, make it even. And take profit, I'll put at 0.59300, okay? And we'll see how that looks. Oops. So I don't want to take profit that low. It's like even with that. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. Okay, so that's good enough right there, okay? And I can just readjust this a little bit, but what we want is to try to have an equal space right in here and an equal space in here, okay? And that's gonna give me, this says here 227 pips, so that's not bad, okay? And really all you need to do is place one single sell stop pending order, and that would be adequate. You could put multiple sell stop pending orders if you like, but I would just put one for now, and if it drops further, you can put additional pending orders. You know, it's up to you exactly how you want to trade this. You could wait for this trend line to break, place your trade, and then close the arrow, or close the trade on the opposite arrow. Okay, so when you get a blue arrow on the 1-hour chart, then you can close your trade, okay? That would probably give you the most profit. But like I said, if you want to be able to set and forget, you can also draw the Fibonacci and set a sell stop pending order. That way you don't have to worry about this, okay? So there's 2 different ways you can trade this signal. So I kind of leave it up to you exactly how you trade this. But, you know, do let me know how you trade this. Let me know your results and kind of keep me posted on how, you know, this signal and all my Telegram signals are doing for you, okay? So with that said, if you have any questions at all, any comments, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. I put a link in the description below for my personal Facebook, please contact me there first. Also, there's a link from our private Facebook group, and you can request to join my Facebook group and post any questions or comments in my Facebook group. Okay, so with that said, let me know how I can help you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.